and then static P over Z, we will plot flowing P over Z, which is one of the main important feature in this software. All right. So using this one, using flowing P over Z and plotted on the same axis, you see we will arrive at the same conclusion. I can untick the static, and without looking at the static, I can extrapolate to obtain the same OGIP. I tick the static and I will arrive at the same condition or the same conclusion. So you see, if the condition is normal, if the flow is normal, if the productivity index of the gas well is normal, not changing, static pressure or static P over Z and flowing P over Z will arrive at the same conclusion or will arrive at the same original gas in place. Okay, so they support each other. Again, if the productivity index remains constant throughout the production. Okay. You can see the purple dots and the gray dots. You can hide disabled points. So some points are disabled. Maybe some points you don't think it's really reliable, so you can make it disable. Okay, so if you select one point and you right click, or you can right click here. First, you can customize datasets, customize plot, customize axis. And on the point, you can mark breakpoints, add dataset to legend if you want. All right. And if you check the production, okay. Yeah, you will have the disabled points and the enabled points. Hopefully I can talk about this disabling process later on, but I will plot the productivity index here.